Hey folks, Rich here at RCINFORMER. Got Steve on the camera today, and today we have E-flite's F-4 Phantom II, and this time we're running it with a SPEKTRUM 7000 milliamp smart pack in it. I've heard that it gets pretty good flight time with it. Flies a little bit farther, CG farther forward. In fact, Steve, if you want to get in on that right here and here, if you see this wing mark right here, this access panel, it seems like it bounces right ahead of that, so it's probably about 175, 170 on the CG with that battery in there. I actually cut out a little bit of foam to shift it back, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch or so. But let's give it a quick check of the landing gear and the flight controls. Make sure everything's good. Linkages look nice. Let's get the gear down. Looks good. Everything looks nice. Do a quick flight control check. Right, left, up, down. Right, left, flaps checked. And if you guys don't remember from the last video we did, the initial videos, I set up my flap to elevator mixing, which seemed good. With the first setting of flaps, I got 10% elevator mixing and 15 at full flaps, and it seems to be good there. So, but we got a little calmer wind, and we actually have some daylight. So let's power it up here, Steve. Oh, that looks good. And let's roll, folks. All the sister videos for this airplane, if you look in the upper right hand corner of your screen, you'll see that little white circle with the exclamation point in it, and that's where we have the unboxing, assembly, and all that stuff of this airplane. So a lot of information on this plane and the other flights. If you drop that window down now, you could see it. See those videos. Well, I got mid rates on everything. Here we go, Steve.
Taking flaps or no?
Yeah, let me do that. See, that's why they got two-man crew in this thing. Although it'd take off fine, but yeah, no thanks. All right, here we go, guys. Not a problem. Power's coming back just to conserve a little bit. I'm probably going to need a trim, not much, just a couple clicks backwards. Flying nice. Flying anything with AS3X is pretty awesome. I usually don't have them in there, but this one's installed, so come down the runway fast. Wow, that's rock solid. Powered off. I'm just gonna let it tail slide. Yeah, that was a nice one. Easing back on the stick. Get down low. Come right at you here, Steve. Peel away. Woo! That was a crosswind, man.
Yeah, okay.
Caught me here. Yeehaw! Probably ought to have a little more elevator rate when I do that. I was pushing a little bit on it. All right, I'm gonna give you a little slow flight, Steve. I'm gonna get my flaps down. My flaps weren't working the other day on my F-18 because I don't know, something up with the switch or something. So let's see if we can get it slow here. Power's coming in. Wow, that's straight up. Look at that. Power's off. Let it come down. Bring it right down the runway.
Yeah, step back.
Right in the way again?
Yeah, your head was right in the way.
Sorry. My bad. Man, that thing boogies. All right, outstanding. I'm gonna go vertical in the middle, Steve.
Okay.
Going up. I'm gonna go full aileron rate. I'll drop the power, let it fall. All right, landing gear's coming down, flaps coming in, full throttle's coming, full flaps are coming in. I'm going to see if I can get a touch and go out of this, Steve. Power's coming in. Two touch and goes. All right, Steve, one more pass and we'll bring it on in here, I think. Yeehaw! Going up. This is the first time I've had the 7,000. Actually, this is the first time I've used the 7,000. All right, gears coming down, flaps coming in. Let's see if we can bring it on in here. Get that nose dropping on down. Power's off. I'm just letting it kind of glide in. I'm adding a little bit here. I'm at about a quarter throttle. Right on that center line. Look at that, baby. I got the center line hold feature on.
Sweet.
That's nice, I tell you. Beauty flight, beauty second flight. Let's take a look and see, keep filming it. Let's see what the battery looks like. I'm impressed. This is just the second flight out, folks, with the larger battery, and it seems to fly well with that forward CG. So here, let's get this thing up here. Those landing lights are cool, aren't they?
Yep.
On the nose? Holy smokes. Look at that thing. Let me kill my throttle here. Can you see that landing light?
Oh yeah.
Look how nice that thing is. Holy mackerel. Super nice, folks. This thing really hauls, does a nice job. Let me get the flaps up. And I'm impressed, man. Second flight out, folks. Second flight out on the big battery. I wish I could get my telemetry in here. It's a little tight to get it in there. So, but let's see if I can. Oh, and one more thing. Like I said, I did mention a second ago, I guess, but I did carve out on the sidewalls. I'll try to show a picture. I'll put an overlay up here where I was able to trim back just a little bit and get this battery shifted back, like I said, a quarter to a half an inch. And like I said, I'll try to put an overlay up here. And what that does is it just lets you get a slightly better CG out of it. But it flew fine there. Again, it was 170, 175, probably somewhere in that range. Let's get this out of here. 7,000 milliamp pack, folks. Let me put this back on. I think this will actually stay. I don't think this one jumps on the tail. It's real nice. But let's see. It's just a little bit warm. I don't even know. I could have probably gone a little farther with that. Let's take a look, see what we got here. Great, I got that tangled up with something else already. See, what do we got there? What does it show? 34%? Is it?
Not yet.
Is it focusing?
Not yet. Come on.
Not a focus?
Okay. No, it was right there. Hang on.
Was it there?
Well, let me get into it again.
Oh, man. Let's see.
Hang on. There it is.
You got it? 34%. Sorry about the focus problem, folks. Yeah, so we could have gone a lot longer with that, too. So. But nice battery's in good shape. I mean, it's just a little bit warm, but not bad at all. So, yeah, you can fly this honking battery 30C and everything, even the EDFs, because it's got such a high capacity. So, anyway, guys, we do appreciate you watching. Look for this thing at Horizon Hobbing, so check it out there. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, folks, and for the sister videos on this thing, again, upper right-hand corner, you'll see the window open up here. If you click on that now, drop that menu down, you'll see all the other videos. We did a really good thorough unbox video of this where we show you everything. It assembles with 9 screws. It's just a really nice model to get together fast. It's probably the fastest thing out of the box I've seen. There's absolutely no gluing whatsoever. What's that mean?
Two things.
What?
That battery C is what? 30 or 50?
This is a 30C. Here, get on that. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a 7,000 milliamp 30C. Okay. I mean, it'll handle EDF stuff. I mean, it seems okay. I hadn't flown it enough yet, but yeah, it's a smart pack. I'm usually running a well, at least the last flight anyway, not usually, I ran a 50C in it. So, yeah. But the CG is just only slightly farther forward, but you can see this thing handles great. I mean, and that AS3X makes it really stable. So, but flies great on a 5,000, flies great on a 7,000. You can put a lot of battery in this, and it is, like I said, the biggest deal with this thing for me is that I didn't have to put any stickers on it, I didn't have to paint it. It assembled with 9 screws, and I'm out flying, and it just flew beautifully. You only need 6 channels to operate it. I've got mine set up. I only have 7 channels. That's right. I only have mine set up 7 channels. So I mean 6 channels, but it's like the fastest thing, the helicopter. It literally is like the fastest, one of the fastest airplanes out of the box. A couple other nice things it's got. Magnetic nose cone, which is really sweet. But if you want to get up and flying quick and you want a real nice plane, here, I'll show you one more thing here, since we're in on this. If you look at the setup video I did, the assembly and all that, you can see I have one antenna here, one here. I think I showed this in the other video. And there's my battery floor with the, I don't know, can you see that okay?
Yeah.
That's my battery floor with my double-sided foam tape that works out real nice. So, but just an awesome plane, folks. All right, let's sign off. We're probably driving these people nuts. Hey, folks, we do appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. We do appreciate you guys watching RC Informer. And if you do want one of these, if you get it through our Horizon Hobby link that we'll put below the video, that does support our channel. We do get a little commission for that, and we do appreciate you guys supporting our channel. Anyway, see you next time, guys.